If you also want to stop the battery drain issue on your iOS version 17.5, that is the latest version of iOS, and if your iPhone does not give a good and decent type of a battery backup, then how can you know that which features or characteristics are draining your battery? Firstly, we just need to understand three things: that if your battery is draining so fast right now, then how can you simply solve the issue? First step is to simply clear all the recent background activity or the applications from your mobile. Just clear the recents, and after that, second thing is look on your profile here and on your iPhone screen that your brightness is in a certain level that will save your battery, not disturb your battery. So the second thing is this. Third thing is, please use official and original iPhone charger instead of any third party charger or any local charger from market. You just need to be so honest with your iPhone here that you use all the things so very patiently and after reviewing it. So this type of problem occurs in your battery draining. You have to go on the setting to check your battery health. That is your battery health so good to run your battery, or you just need to change your battery and then do it. I will click on search bar, search for the battery, and here you can see that my battery capacity is 85%. That is quite good right now, so I don't need to change a battery. I will simply apply the changes to save battery in my iPhone. Also, you can see that my screen time is really 15 hours a day, so that is quite higher than you. So please decrease your screen time, then your battery will be saved more, because in iPhones this problem is very common. And the last thing you can do is you just have to degrade your software. Like if you have installed a latest version of iOS version on your iPhone, then you just need to delete it and install the previous and older version of iOS and update your phone like that. So if you have older version itself, don't do update. And yes, this is a problem and how you can solve it. Thank you so much for watching the video.